Tom? Hey, Gabe. Caleb's in.
All right, here's Caleb learning to fly. Harder than it looks. Oh, go Caleb.
You have to hold your chin up.
So you can actually turn in your hand.
He's doing good.
So that's how you go up and down, is with your hands? Is that the deal?
Yeah, it looks like whenever you close them in, you kind of go up. And then whenever you...
This guy's standing in 100 miles an hour wind. That's pretty impressive.